nag-cycle yan.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Hike with Mang Yan.
He's a biter.
It's summer, so yes, it's hot and humid. But if you're up for a little adventure, grab your walking shoes and join us at Laurel Hill Park mountain bike trail at Lorton, Virginia. You'll get fresh air, a good workout, and probably a bit sweaty. Just bring water, a good attitude, and maybe a portable fan if you've got one. Barrel Bridge. It's small, scrappy, and full of charm, made from old barrels and culverts. This quirky little bridge isn't fancy, but it's unforgettable. Locals call it the Barrel Bridge, and it's a fun surprise on the trail. A black snake made a bold move across the trail, and I nearly turned it into a speed bump. Data says it was close. I say it was just a friendly brush with nature. Either way, that noodle was not amused. Crownvetch looks sweet with its pink flowers, but don't be fooled. This plant doesn't know when to quit. Brought in to fight erosion, it took over like it owned the place, crowding out native plants. Pretty? Yes. Polite? Not even close.
Oops, bikers.
Workhouse Loop is a 1.7-mile trail where history gets a breath of fresh air. Winding through old prison grounds, the smooth single track serves up gentle hills and just enough twist to keep things fun. It's easy to moderate, so no, you won't be sentenced to hard labor. Perfect for anyone who wants a little adventure with zero risk of a prison break. Common Muin is a tall, fuzzy plant that looks like it's auditioning to be a yoga mat, useful for lamp wicks, herbal remedies, and showing up everywhere uninvited. Soft, versatile, and stubbornly independent. Just try telling it where not to grow. Common milkweed is the plant that's a 5-star diner for monarch butterflies. With its big leaves and sweet-smelling flowers, it charms pollinators while spreading like it owns the place. Friends to insects, foe to tidy lawns. Love it or leave it. Wood ear is the mushroom that looks like it left its hearing aid in the woods. This quirky, ear-shaped fungus isn't just for show. It's a star in soups, stir-fries, and awkward, "What is that?" moments on tree trunks. Chewy, funky, and always eavesdropping. Climbing spreading Dayflower is the plant with serious commitment issues. It won't stand tall, but also won't stay put. Known for its fleeting blue flowers that last just a day, it's the overachiever of ground covers. Pretty, sneaky, and ready to invade your flower beds. The trail rolls through the former Lorton Correctional Facility, where inmates served time from 1910 to 2001. Today, riders and hikers cruise past the ghostly remains of guard towers, work farms, and utility buildings, proof that even a prison can get a second chance as a bike path or walking trail. Cinebar Chanterels are the tiny coral-colored mushrooms that look like they're auditioning for the role of forest jewelry. Small but mighty, these chanterelles bring bold pops of color to the woodland stage and are edible to boot. Perfect for chefs who prefer their fungi fancy and fabulous. The Laurel Hill area was once the stomping ground of a Revolutionary War hero, because what's a scenic trail without a side of patriotism, right? It's like hiking through history with a dash of red, white, and blue thrown in for good measure. This park has a secret past. It once housed a Nike missile magazine. Back in the Cold War days, it wasn't about sneakers, but about keeping an eye out for Soviet threats. It was the neighborhood's ultimate no trespassing zone. Boom! Another trail adventure in the books. Thanks for tagging along. If you had fun, go ahead and give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so we can tackle more trails together. Got questions, ideas, or just something totally random to say? Drop it in the comments. I'm all ears. Catch you on the next one, and don't forget to stay awesome out there.